So here Josh, our guide, Mike. I'm waiting for other 3 people.
We can go ahead and get your PFDs on. The other people just showed up.
Okay.
We're gonna slide right here, you guys. We're gonna bring young lady. What we're gonna do, we're gonna slide this over. There we go. And we're gonna grab this handle. And on the count of 3, we're gonna lift. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And then nice and easy down to the river. So when we get in the water here, we'll just get out and do a couple practice paddle strokes.
Okay.
And then we'll wait on everybody to come on down, and then we'll head out. So again, right here, there's a little ledge. So keep going, and we can drop it down right now. And then let this guy step down. Go ahead and head all the way down.
Okay.
Count of 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3. You can drop the nose, we'll set it all down. Everybody step down nice and easy. And
just slide it in.
Right under the water. We can walk into the water. Don't worry, you're gonna get wet. Perfect. So I'll turn the boat here.
Nice.
And then team, you are welcome to load right on up. Oh yeah, and then you guys are not glued to these seats, okay? If you're not comfortable on the side you're on, go ahead and feel free to switch it up.
Okay, is this on, Mike?
Get everybody in.
Yes,
we're gonna do a little
it's recording.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, I'll climb to this way.
Oh, I'm stoked. Haven't seen this river in 2 months.
Wow, cool.
Stay out the way for you.
No, I have to climb. It's a practice.
All right, team. So let's all go ahead, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get in a nice paddle ready position, okay? So let's go ahead and put our hand on our T-grip. Blades are out of the water, paddle shafts across our lap. It's very nice, out of the water. Just right across your lap.
Oh, lap, okay.
Yeah, and then make sure you keep that T-grip covered for me today. I know I'll keep reminding you all day long, all right? That T-grip there.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Make sure we want to keep
okay.
that covered.
Yes.
So you can come a little closer with your hands too. See how far back? You're kind of like a little awkward. Yeah, there we go. And then it can sit way out to the side.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Does everybody feel nice and comfortable, locked in, feeling good? We got a good class 3 coming right up, 3/4 of a mile in. Meat grinders, the first rapid we have. It's called meat grinder. It's nice and shallow. You fall out, you're gonna get your meat grinded. All right, so let's go ahead and do a little practice here, team.
Okay.
Let's go forward 2.
Forward 2.
Woo, there we go. Now, a little shallow. I get it. So now, if we want to do a back paddle here, team, back paddling is really good, slowing things down. All right, what you want to do during a back paddle is you want to pin that shaft right against your hip. You want to rotate your core, and you want to rotate back. So let's go ahead, back paddle 2. Together now, right? Yeah. This is practice. Ready? Let's back paddle 2. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. So what we're gonna do, man, remember I was talking about reaction and time, right? So we're going kind of slow right now, but this is all practice. We wanna make sure when I say back paddle 2, you're back paddling 2 immediate, or 4. Okay. Guys, whenever I call my strokes today, I'm gonna say forward. If I say forward, keep paddling till I say stop. If I say forward 1, give me 1, forward 2, give me 2, and I'll say back it up when I need you guys to back up and then stop. I'm gonna jump in the back. We're just gonna practice, go around here in this little eddy.
That time we took 2 people in 1 boat kind of thing. Yeah.
I think I was in like class 2 and 1 rapids, so this is a little bit of an upgrade. So
yeah, this is gonna be fun. I love this section.
Great.
If you guys ever do it again, you should check out the middle fort. That
is it?
Intense.
Middle fort?
Yeah. There's class 4s.
Class 4. Oh, wow.
It was his first time last year, and we took him on that. He did fine. Everyone was, no one fell off. But it was really fun. It was some nice rapids.
Yeah, it's a really good river. Yeah. There's a rapid out there called Ruckachucky Falls, and all the customers walk around the rapid.
Yeah, that was
and
crazy.
And the guides around a 27-foot waterfall by themselves.
That was wild. We went. I think it was one of the owners. He actually got stuck.
Oh,
and it took like other people try to like bump him off.
I used to, and I had 13 dislocations on my right foot. So I cannot kayak.
Is that front kayaking?
Wow, here is one. Wow!
There we go.
Nice.
Is that from like paddling or?
Go for it.
Was dislocated from paddling or found any like major finds recently?
Wow.
On that river, it's still blowing out big places. That's so awesome.
Yeah, we try to do that at least once a year. I have some rapids boats.
That's nice. Refreshing. Boom.
Paddles up high with the blades. You guys know what the trick is? Hit the wall. Damn. What's he called? What do you call that?
Wow. Wow, great.
Very relaxing. Whoa. And also good exercise.
The sound itself will make you very relaxed. That was cool. That was cool.
Back pedal two! Oh! Back pedal two! Nice, Bert, nice! Yeah! Woo! Alright, you gotta think of that one. That was cool.
Cool, cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh,